Hey guys, welcome to Live Lash Lessons Week 4. I've had a couple of girls in the group voicing their opinions that they're finding it really difficult to get the eyelash extension sets they're doing to look really neat and flush when they're finished. So today's lesson is going to be a practical session and it's going to be on everything to do with attachment and the direction. So pretty much however you're attaching your eyelash extensions or your fans onto that natural lash is going to make the difference of the overall finish at the end. So I want to go a little bit further into that on different directions that you can attach the eyelash extensions and how to have them really photo ready when you finish.
Now you want to be placing the extensions straight down onto the lash on either the left or right. You don't want to come from underneath or over the top like this. You want to just come right on the side and place down and guide the tip exactly where you want it. You only have about a split second to do that before the glue is completely dry. Now I'm showing you a bad angle again, coming in too far from the top or coming in with the base of the extension. A lot of people do that. It's just not correct. You want to come in on exactly the same angle as the natural lash. It's so important for the attachment that you get that you come in on either the left or the right and you place on exactly the same angle that that natural lash is going in for the best attachment. I'm going to get a bit of glue and stick it on. I've got a little bit too much glue here, but I'll show you how to get rid of a bit of that. I'm just going to swipe up the lash and place down again, and you can guide that tip for that second. Alright, last time now, I'm going to come in and show you an angle that you don't want to aim for. Bring your lash in, and you can see that you're not aligned with the natural lash. Still not aligned. It's not just any attachment will do. You want to come in exactly flush with those natural lashes. Make sure you have a look from the side if you have to and get that really good side attachment so that the whole natural lash, or as much of you can of it, is sitting flush with the extension, and then you're just going to guide that tip at the top. So I've got a bit of glue now. Bring it in from the right hand side and you'll notice that it goes to fall, and I'll just guide that tip slightly towards the outer corner, 3 seconds, and it's done. Here we go. Now you're going to bring another one in next to him. So you don't want to come in like this. Going to bring that lash across and just get a really nice side attachment and guide that tip exactly where you want it so those lashes are sitting beautifully in the same direction next to each other. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you found this really helpful, and that you guys can all work on now getting your classic lash sets completely aligned and flush so that you get beautiful finishing results and some great photos. Please let us know if you found this helpful and tag us in your photos so that we know that we've been able to help you out. Thanks guys, see you in live lash lessons next week.